and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart $5 challenge of school supplies. A lot of you guys really enjoy these videos. There has been stores that I used to get really good office supplies and school supplies, but they haven't been doing a good job. So I'm here to share with you guys the best place that you guys can get school supplies. Now, please keep in mind, my son does not go to school, so I usually give these supplies to my friends and family that need them, or I just donate them. As you guys can see, I've donated a few office supplies already. Last year for school, I ended up donating 2 big boxes full. So, just wanted to let you guys know on that, but I got stuff at Walmart, and I just grabbed a bunch of stuff, hoping that you guys, might need some of this stuff. So, let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. So, these are the Walmart brand pencils. They are the ones with stars. I think there's some other designs on here, but these were, there's 5 of them in here. They're like the octagon shapes. These were a quarter, 25 cents. I got these, they're 4 for $1, so I got these for 25 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for 5 pencils. They had the crazy art pencils. There's 12 of them in here. This was 68 cents. So you guys can either get these or these. I know some kids like the colored ones, but I don't know. When I was little, I had to get these ones. So, 68 cents. I ended up getting this composition book. Now, this is the plastic cover, so that was kind of nice. This was 50 cents. Only 50 cents for this book. So I thought that was a pretty good deal if you guys are really liking it. And it's super flexible, so if you guys, have a rough kid. I ended up getting this school glue. Now, these were 50 cents a piece. 50 cents a piece. Yeah, 50 cents. Now, last year I ended up getting coupons for Elmer's glue, but this year we're not getting any. So, or that I know of. It still might be too early. So, got that. I ended up getting the 2-pack of the Elmer's glue. Now, these were 50 cents, or 48 cents. Yeah, 48 cents for those. Sorry, I'm just not thinking straight right now. I got Crayola crayons again. I can never have enough Crayola crayons. A lot of school, everything's wet. It's because I had ice cream, so everything got like wet. A lot of schools are asking for the Crayola brand, so they also had the crazy art for 47 cents, or you could get the Crayola brand for 3 cents more and get them for 50 cents. I thought I'll get them for 50 cents, so had to share with you guys on that. They had their scissors. I got these. I thought these were super cute. And they got some grippage inside, so I like these. These were 50 cents for these. So I had to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting a small pencil case. I thought this was super cute. I always see the big ones, but pretty much most people just put their pens and pencils and stuff in there. They only had it in blue or red, unless there was other colors. I really didn't dig for this, but I thought this is something great for Ben to use if he needs to use it now or later. So this was just 47 cents, I think, for this, or 50 cents. I can't remember what it was, but it's made by the Sterilite brand, so had to share with you guys on a pencil case. I ended up getting some folders. Now, they had these, they're all like messed up. They're just messed up all over the place. They had plastic ones, they had the name brand ones, they had them all over the place, so I was trying to figure out what's what. Now, there's 2 different folders that are 15 cents. They got the paper pocket folder. These were 15 cents, and they just have the 3 holes in it, if you guys are interested in like that. And then this was the, like the binder with the thing inside. These were also 15 cents. They had other ones. I don't even know what they were. 45 cents, 30 cents. I don't know. It was such a mess over there. And then one thing I haven't gotten very much of is binders. So I wanted to share with you guys some binders. This binder was just 97 cents. I thought that was a pretty good deal for that. They had them in different colors, but I thought 97 cents for just a simple, binder. You can't go wrong with that. And that seemed to be it. I forgot to add everything up for you guys, but it came to a little bit over $5. It was like $5.20 something cents, but I love it. I love knowing that you guys really like these $5 challenges for back to school. If you guys haven't, I did a Walgreens one already this week, so go back and check that one out. And I will be possibly doing a Staples one this week. I'm thinking of going to Staples later this week, so definitely stay tuned for another $5 challenge. Keep giving these videos a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.